there we go. You might be wondering why I'm wearing glasses, and it's not even that sunny, it's quite cloudy. But I've got a black eye because today's the day after I give Spencer the standard ECU. I'm only kidding. I haven't got a black eye. He wanted to give us a black eye though, didn't you?
Of course not.
That worked out really, really cool, lad. It wasn't planned, that, I really do promise you. I thought it would be funny there and then, and I told Spence, yeah, take the camera because it would be good to get your reaction of, you know, like what the different remap files would be like. And
12 PSI, what's that about? Standard.
Toad burglar!
Toad burglar! Mark 1 Toad burglar. Toad burglar. Toad burglar.
But we will be doing the remap very, very soon, and he's just give us the rod bender ECU, so we'll also be deciphering that very, very soon. But for today, we're on a road trip.
Mad one this. As you can see, we've got a big van. Big announcement. Unit. We haven't got one.
Yeah. No, we don't have a unit.
But this crazy dingbat thought it would be a good idea to start getting some ramps.
At the end of the day, when a bargain presents itself in life, you've just got to go for it.
But we've got nowhere to put them, and we haven't got a unit. So there's the big announcement. And we've got...
Today we're going to go and get some ramps. We're going to meet a lad that I met. He's a subscriber, obviously on Tinterweb, and he's selling on behalf of his friend a set of 2-post ramps, and it would go mint in the unit that we haven't quite got yet. But so we know it is. We're taking a punt. We're just gonna we thought sod it. We'll get ourselves a van. We'll go and get them. We'll meet him. Nice lad called Thomas, and we'll just go and buy them, and we'll store them, and hopefully it'll be good and work out in the future.
To put them?
Maybe. I've got a big drive.
So we're going to get some ramps in the big van with nowhere to put them. So let's go.
Something we used to do years ago.
Quite a bit, didn't we?
Travel the country buying cars and engines and wheels and
Crashed cars.
Crashed cars, aye. Never did it for years, and now all of a sudden we're on the road every month.
Hey, it's what toad burglars do, isn't it?
It is, aye. It's good fun though, it's actually a nice day out. Gets you away from work.
Yes, arrows!
Spence, what the hell are we going to do with all that?
We'll have to put it somewhere.
We'll have to find somewhere.
Yeah.
Somewhere like a unit that we haven't got yet.
That we still need.
I'm sure Andy will store for something like that. But we're down in Bury St Edmunds now. We've got all the kit loaded up in the van. So really chuffed about that. We ended up actually buying quite a bit more stuff than we needed, but we've got a really good deal, so no complaints to that. Huge thanks to Tom, who will come to me, it's really cool, Ben, and more importantly to Jace, who actually sold with the kit. Now for you, Jace has got a really cool company. He's actually shutting up shop here. He had like a bit of a mechanics business, but he's got a really cool company that converts camper conversions, all the rest of it. And let's turn around, Jace, let's have a look. Check them out.
Cool.
I'll even put a link to Jason's company and all the rest of it. I'll put some pictures in as well, just like you say, but it's really cool stuff. Just thought I'd give you a big shout out because he's doing us a really good deal on this. We got this for a really, really cheap price, which is mint for us. So hopefully we'll be able to make use of it in the future. But I think that's it. We'll hit the road,
Aye, we'll find somewhere to put it,
Oh yeah, well, honestly, he always drags us down with these little problems. What's his problem, man, Spence? Get with it.
It's not fitting me shed.
Well, certainly not fitting my garage. But anyway, let's go. Thanks very much, Jason. Cool to meet you, Tom and Ben. And we'll hit the road. What a nice bunch of lads they were, weren't they?
Spot on.
Oh, nice, really cool. Anyway, mate, what we're going to do with all this?
Tell me shed's not
you know, this feels, you know, like when you watch the telly and you see them salvage, when they're gone all over the country and they buy stuff and they don't know what they're going to do with it. And it feels a bit like this.
Was it?
Salvage dealers or something, isn't it? I don't know. We came down thinking that we're going to buy a couple of, a ramp. End up buying 2 plus all the kit. I'm like, well,
yeah. There's engine hoists and
plus
gearbox.
There's stands, there's engine hoists, there's like oil drain tanks, there's all sorts of like. I'm scared.
Where's it gone?
You know what I'm really scared about? Like, we came down here thinking it would be us 2. Maybe we're going to need like 5 people to get it up.
There was quite a few, as you see, loaded up.
Jason and Tom and Ben and all the help were loaded up, and it was a bit of a struggle, to be honest. So
we'll have to get some of the lads to help unload, right?
Right, okay.
Definitely.
Well, we'll have to get them up early in the morning, though.
But you know what time it is now on road trips? Chips.
Chip time. No chips, like.
No.
What's that? Chicken curry and noodles and that.
Chicken curry rice noodle.
It's literally the only place that was open, you know, because of the COVID-19 and what have you. No, we'll scram this and then we'll go home. So next morning now, and we've got the squad around to unload, so I think breakfast will be on me. We've managed to get a little bit of storage off one of our pals, Keith, in this nice little unit here, but we'll get all this off now. We'll see what Baz's back's like after this.
It's mixed grills all round.
It is. I think this is going to cost us big thing, but you know, bless them. Good friends, class. You can't knock that, like your pal's getting up at 7 o'clock in the morning and come and help you put some random purchase ramps in the in the storage unit, ready to maybe use one day, maybe not, who knows. We'll try and knuckle down on this unit and hopefully get it very soon, but I think we're signing off from now. I think Spencer deserves a mixed grill breakfast.
Whoa!
That's what he's wanting anyway. Meat fest. That's a nice t-shirt, what's that?
Yeah. Ah, Team Prawn, bro. Team Prawn.
Rocking the Team Bro t-shirt. Right, I think we'll sign off for now. Thanks very much for watching. Mad little road trip, just a quick little video. If you like this, remember to hit like and subscribe, and as always, we'll see you in the next one.